How to change the privacy of featured photo to only me on Facebook. Let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line. Move into your profile. Scroll down and you'll get to see your featured photos. So this is my featured photo that I have just uploaded. Now the first thing you need to know that there is no any feature or the option where you can set the privacy of the featured photo to only me, because this feature itself is meant to set to the public. The Facebook has designed it in a way that it could be actually set to the public. But if you really don't want others to see it, then what you can do is first of all tap on this featured photo. Tap on this three dot. Here you can simply just tap on delete featured collection. Once it is deleted, other people won't be able to see your featured photo. There you go, it has successfully been deleted. Now let's say you also want to change the story settings or the story highlight privacy settings. In this case, what you can actually do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll down and move into settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Scroll down and in the section of audience and visibility, tap on stories. Move into story privacy. Here, if you only want your friends to see your story, then you need to set the privacy to friends. You can also hide your story from specific people if you want to. And with this custom option, you can also choose the specific people to share your story with. Here, one thing you need to know that the story privacy setting is also applied to your featured photos. Well, these are only some ways to work on your featured photos. There is no any direct feature where you can set your privacy of your featured photo to only me. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to set the privacy of your featured photo to only me on Facebook. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.